Hi friends, today we are going to make an interactive tutorial about matrix addition. If you are a teacher and you want to make a very attractive and interesting tutorial for your student that is attractive and easy to understand, then you are at the right place. So we will be using DeepSeek, and if we run the HTML, excellent. You can see that this is basically a tutorial about matrix addition. Here you can fix the rows, the columns, and you can update the dimensions, and then you can randomize the matrix, or even you can enter the different values. And after initiating, you can make addition of both the matrices. Here you can visualize basically the addition of these two matrices, and here below you can see the animation speed, the 3D mode, basically the display mode, and similarly the highlight mode. You will be thinking that this tutorial is basically very hard to be made, and for this we need the programming capabilities. But no, we don't need any programming capabilities. How it can be done? Let's start. So to DeepSeek, I have requested that can you make me an interactive tutorial for making addition using visuals, colors, and professional look in 3.js. Please give me the output in a single HTML file. I would suggest to make the visual professional, colorful, and logical with multiple ways and types representation for easy understanding. So it has given me this output, and we can basically preview here this output. This is a long program, and if we run the HTML, then it will give us this interactive matrix addition. Here you can see that the key requirements, the randomized matrices, the sample example, 2D 3D view. This is the visual representations, and this is matrix A, matrix B, and its result, and these are further details and its applications. But I was not satisfied with this, and I asked ChatGPT, or sorry, the DeepSeek, to make it more professional. So it has given me the second result, which is this one, and this is amazing. This is amazing. Here I will run this again. This is the tab where I have to hit to run the HTML code. So this is the HTML, and let's hit it. Let's run the HTML. Oh, excellent, excellent. So here it's having you have option for 2, 3, and 4 rows, 2, 3, 4 columns. If you want, you can make it further with further dimensions. Here we have a matrix A. We can put values like 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, or whatever it is for matrix A, or we can make it with random values. Similarly, for matrix B, we can plug in the values, or we can use random values. We can calculate A plus B, and we can visualize in a way, in a basically in a 3D visualization. The visualization setting can also be made. Yes, the visualization setting can also be made. And here you can see that there are further details, that A plus B plus C, the calculation history, how the matrix addition works, the matrix A, B, C, and the result matrix color. So this is excellent. This is amazing. If you are a teacher, you can make interactive tutorials using DeepSeek. So if you want me to make further tutorials on your different subjects, whether you are teaching history, whether you are teaching computer science, whether you are teaching maths, English, or whatever your subject is, please let me know. I will help you, and I will design along with you your different tutorials that will be interactive. You can display it to your students. You can deploy it on your websites. Thank you so much. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.